So, okay, so basically that was the intro. What is this? Okay, so they remodeled Tusk. I never even saw this before, but they did. I do not like the model. It looks so weird. Oh my gosh. Looks so, it looks skinny and fat at the same time. It looks like it has some kind of a disease. But yeah, you guys probably know we're doing another video of server. Let's start now. Good thing that everyone doesn't have any stand/specs that can do that do too much damage. E. Okay. Well, he's dead. Somehow he's not dead. But he will be. Think you can just do that. Suck it up. Well. Well. Revenge! Okay. We can count. Okay, can't. Okay. This guy is running. Why are you running? Okay. Oh, shoot! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Because he's dead. Well, you get punched for copying Cammy's avatar. So was you. Ouch. Okay. Oh! I almost hit him. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, back up. Because he has me low. Pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, let's see if I still take. No! Okay, he's coming. Yeah, let's just run away. Has me low. Try to do the page on him. I mean, break down. Beat down, break down. Let's. Oh. Okay. Pew. No. Well, I still hit him. I guess that's good. Focus. Oh, never mind. Sorry. I love Zenitsu. I love Zenitsu, so I'm not going to attack. Okay, let's just continue to the video. Yeah, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to die. Actually, I'm going to be generous. I would hate to see people losing all their items. Oh, I might even get reported. How does this thing do that much damage? Just how? Chimimi. Aura. I missed it. Pew. Pew. Aura. He's blocking. I couldn't even hit him. Oh! He's still running away. Okay. Sorry for my streams. Just gonna have to. Yeah. You know! Okay. Oh! Almost got him. Chimimi. Okay. Let's just. Okay. Well, I guess that's a wrap. How is this guy doing that? Because I'm lagging, but he's not. Like, okay. We're gonna have to keep on. Okay. I'll start to arc. No, I don't like people arcing. Okay? You don't deserve to be arcing. Then go in another server. While he has to die. Why am I keep missing that attack? So, yeah, let's just not do that. In fact, let's just run away while fighting this guy. Okay, I got him. Can't run away from me.